हेलो माय नेम इज अभिषेक, वेलकम टू द बुबू वाला शो। और आज हमारे साथ शो पर जुड़ गए हैं मिस्टर अतुल यादव, योर गो टू एआई गाय। अतुल, वेलकम टू द शो।
I'm so happy to be here, man.
क्या वाकई में एआई हम सबकी जॉब ले लेने वाला है?
AI is not going to take away jobs. AI is going to take away tasks.
आई नो पीपल who are doing a job for 20 years and doing the same thing. Then in comes AI and they're not needed anymore. ऐसा नहीं कि हवा हो गई अभी तो चलो सबको AI करना है. Every school has a robot and we saw what the robot did
Yeah,
in AI.
I was there. Yeah, I saw that. It's quite funny.
अभी जो international warfare चल रहा है, how important or how lethal can be AI?
आप लिखना ChatGPT पे. The way I treat you, how will you treat me in case there is a war between AI and humans?
फिर मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा dude, it is a matter of life and death. Within a second, आपने फिल्म देखी हर, तो क्या वो जो सिनेरियो था, क्या वास्तव में AI के साथ ऐसा हो सकता है?
People are actually falling in love with AI.
What are the 3 AI tools that one needs to master this year?
There's a tool called Napkin AI, or Fireflies, or Otter AI. I used to love that team member in my team. जो मीटिंग के बाद फटाफट सारे नोट्स रेडी करके सबको MOM भेज देता था. But now with these tools, everybody can become that person.
But what is he doing right now?
Oh, he moved out. Yeah, for some reason.
Yeah. हेलो, माय नेम इज अभिषेक, वेलकम टू द बुबू वाला शो। और आज का शो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, बड़ा ही फ्यूचरिस्टिक है, क्योंकि आज हमारे साथ शो पर जुड़ गए हैं मिस्टर अतुल यादव, जो कि एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं और एआई एक्सपर्ट हैं। इज योर गो टू एआई गाय। बहुत सारी कंपनीज इन्होंने फाउंड की हैं, बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स को सामने लेके आए हैं जो एआई का यूज़ करते हैं। और आज हमें बताने वाले हैं एआई के येस्टरडे, टुडे और टुमारो के बारे में। अतुल, वेलकम टू द शो।
I'm so happy to be here, man.
आर यू रियली?
Oh, 100%. I love talking about stuff around AI. So yeah, let's start.
सबसे पहले वो सवाल पूछते हैं जो हमारी रातों की नींदें उड़ाए हुए है, खास तौर पे। वो सवाल बड़ा सिंपल है। सवाल है कि भाई, क्या वाकई में एआई हम सबकी जॉब ले लेने वाला है?
I think the better way to answer that is कि it is definitely going to touch each and every job that is there in this country. क्या वो लेने वाला है in the short run? Maybe yes, but in the long run, I really don't think so. So there'll be more jobs for sure. And that's the case that has been with every technology shift. So it will be the same over here as well. अब जैसे कि क्या AI एक डॉक्टर की जॉब ले सकता है? No, very difficult, you know. But can it make a doctor's job better, more efficient? Yes, because the doctor is able to diagnose faster, better. It can make a more personalized treatment plan. So all those things are great. Can it take away a marketing manager's job? I think not in the long run, because just think of, so I believe that AI can make you so much more efficient, better at things, right? Like all of us use AI in whatever we do today, and we are so much better with it. It's very difficult to now imagine life without AI. कि अगर AI नहीं होगा तो हम कैसे करेंगे? वो बहुत मुश्किल हो गया
ये
है.
अच्छी बात है, खराब बात है। डिपेंडेंसी जो है,
I think technology helps you get better at things, and then yes, there is some trade-off. Like for example, a lot of people say कि calculator आ गया तो लोगों ने mental math weak हो गया है. But then is that really required? In that degree? So yeah, I think it's only going to make things better, easier, and more efficient. Yeah.
so I'll give you an example. I do a lot of voicing, वॉइस ओवर्स वगैरह हम लोग बहुत करते हैं। बुपू वाला इंडियाज प्रीमियम वॉइस ओवर एजेंसी। तो हम लोगों को बहुत चैलेंज आता है आजकल। क्लाइंट बोलता है, यार एआई से करवा दो ना। एआई हैज नॉट टेकन अवे आवर जॉब।
Yeah.
We are still better than AI, and we hope that we'll be better than AI.
Yeah.
But the problem is that the client expects us to do a job at a price that was not there 5 साल पहले।
Okay.
अभी
So they are paying you less?
yeah, they want to pay me less.
Okay. They want to say कि AI कर देगा तो कम देंगे हम.
नहीं AI से करा लो ना यार, अब तो इतने में हो जाता है।
हाँ.
For example, if I was getting X 5 years ago
Okay.
for a simple digital ad or a radio commercial or a film dub. Film dub तो नहीं अभी टच किया उसने। तो अब वो बोलते हैं कि X minus Y कर दो। So I'm sure that AI is not going to take our jobs. The best ones, the probably
So
the
I think
ones.
I'll tell you that what there are a couple of things in this use case itself. It's a good example. So for example, let's say what are the things which are heavily in your favor in this case only, right? So let's say you do voiceovers, but can you do voiceovers in Spanish, in Latin, in Tamil, in Telugu, in Bengali, in Marathi? I think probably not, because every person probably knows one or two languages only, or you'll have to hire so many people. But now with AI, you can also cater to a client in South, in the Northeast, in Karnataka, in Gujarat. So look at those advantages, right? That AI can help you crack clients in places where earlier it was impossible to do so. Now, yes, the costing part, the commercial part, I think every business owner figures out, so you'll figure that out as well. But those are the advantages.
ऐसे एडवांटेजेस वो पहले भी थे क्योंकि लोग गुजराती में वॉइसिंग कर रहे थे,
Uh-huh.
तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़ा, सभी वॉइसिंग हर जगह का एक अलग मार्केट था. अब वो बिल्कुल कंसाइज होता जा रहा है. एंड आई वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस डीपली.
No, what I mean to say basically is that there is no constraint to geography anymore. Like, let's say that, okay, you were a large company, so you had people from which knew all Indian languages probably, right? But then again, did you?
I'm just saying that there is not one before what used to happen that if you want to make an ad in Hindi, वो पैन इंडिया चलेगा. उसके अलावा उसी एड के अलग डब्स बनेंगे जो बहुत सारी लैंग्वेजेस में चलेंगे.
But you need people to do that.
You need people to do that.
So today you don't need people to do
AI
that.
is trying to. So the main guy stays.
Yeah.
Amitabh Bachchan of the picture stays.
Yeah.
But जो बाकी सब languages होने वाली थी, the poor guy who was maybe earning a 2,000 rupees from that small creative is not earning that anymore.
No, I'll tell you now, that poor guy may not be having a job, let's say, but that poor guy can walk out, start his own company because the barrier has gone down. Think of it like that. That guy doesn't need to hire 10 people like you did, right? Now he can go, just learn how to do it with AI, use his own voice, convert it into 10, and maybe he'll start with smaller clients. But he can do so.
What is the future of something? Let's get out of the voiceover thing. What is the future of AI? अभी आप AI summit से आए हो attend करके.
yeah.
What do you think is the future? Where are we going? इंडिया को ऐसा दिखाया जा रहा है कि बड़ी सुपर पावर होने वाला है AI का. वाकई में होने वाला है ऐसा?
You're talking about India, or you're talking about wherever AI is going? in the
Let's
world?
talk about
India.
AI first, and then we come to India.
So AI is evolving very, very fast. God only knows where it will go, but most definitely, it's going to affect every part of our lives, 100%. Whether it is our children, how they learn at school, whether it is things at home, whether it is our appliances, whether it is our cars, gadgets, everything. So 110% is going to be everywhere, and it already is, because you can see that all the devices are connected to internet, and AI is now a part of every internet application. Every company wants to integrate AI, whether it's a B2B company, B2C company. So AI is going to be everywhere for sure.
ऐसा नहीं कि हवा हो गई अभी तो चलो सबको AI करना है. Every school has a robot, and we saw what the robot did
Yeah,
in AI.
I was there. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah. It's quite funny. But let's talk about AI in India. I think India has great talent. We've always had great developers, programmers, engineers, but it was that brain drain happening, right? Everybody was going to the US, and they were because that is what attracted them. In India, we definitely need to have more funds for R&D. We need to have more funds that are backing startups. Let kids out of college, school, start making projects. They should get funded. That's where innovation happens, where there is no risk of, or where there is no fear of failure. The person who will take risk is the person who has no fear of failure, right? And with every day passing by, that fear only increases. What an 18-year-old can do, a 28-year-old cannot do. A 38-year-old probably not, a 48-year-old cannot even imagine. So we need to put a lot of funds to make sure there's experimenting happening. Today, I think in AI, India is just consuming. We are the biggest market for even OpenAI. They said that we have 100 million active users every week now. So we are great consumers of every digital product. But have we really innovated in AI? I think not much. Maybe a little bit, but long way to go.
कहाँ से शुरू किया जाए?
First of all, one, we need to encourage college students to try and learn more and more and apply more and more and give them funds, maybe college level funds, to give them assignments. They should do something with AI, build something actually, build agents or build their own small models.
Is it that easy? College में कोई बच्चा कर सकता है?
Because you really don't need much. There are open models that you can download, and I can train it on anything that I want. All those things are possible. But somebody needs to give them. So I think.
Give me an example of a basic thing that a college or a school goer can डू आपके बारे में माना जाता है कि 12 साल के
To
बच्चे को
innovate.
भी, हाँ, 12 साल के बच्चे को भी समझ में आ
So
जाएगा
I
ये।
basically talk in very simple language. So
Yeah.
I keep technical stuff out
Correct.
so that people really understand.
What is the one thing that a school goer or a college goer or a starter should start doing or experimenting with AI so that he becomes a pro?
Okay, so first, try and be super curious about learning with AI. Try and pick up one tool. So think of it like this: you just pick up one tool, and then you try and master that tool. And using a tool is one thing. Mastering a tool is another.
नहीं
Using a tool means आप रोज ChatGPT यूज करते हैं, हम सब करते हैं. But क्या आप उसको सही तरीके से यूज करते हैं?
सही
क्या आपको
prompts के साथ।
क्या आपको मालूम है कि उसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या सही देने हैं? इट्स लाइक आपने एक इंटर्न हायर कर लिया है. अब आप उस इंटर्न को अगर अच्छे से ट्रेन नहीं करेंगे तो प्रॉब्ली आपको लगेगा कि यार ये तो काम ठीक नहीं कर रहा है.
तो वो जल्दी बॉस बन जाएगा।
So yeah, you need to make sure that you are giving the right kind of instructions, clarity of instructions, and they come in the form of prompts because that's the only way you interact. So number one, use one tool, master it. Then think of a problem that you have in your life which is taking a lot of your time. It could be replying to emails, it could be making a project, it could be writing something, it could be researching. Try and use AI for that. That is where you will get confidence. So it's like then you sprinkle AI into your daily work, whatever you do, and slowly you get better. So that's about keeping yourself absolutely aware of what is happening in the world of AI, using all these tools in a way that they actually help you. So I run something called an AI Leverage Club where this is exactly what I tell people. People who don't have time. So there are two kinds of people who come into that club. One, they say that, hey, I can't really learn AI because it's too technical. It is not. It is just simple English language. You're supposed to chat. As long as you are able to give it right directions, it will work for you. And of course, it will make its own mistakes. So that's the disclaimer. But it does. The other kind of people they are very curious. They say, hey, what can I do with it? Can it write email like this? Can it also, can I ideate with it? So AI is actually only as smart as smart as you are. That's the bottom line. It's like garbage in, garbage out, or great
Gold
stuff
in,
in, gold in, gold out. Yeah.
आलू डालो सोना निकलेगा।
नहीं थोड़ा.
सोना डालो सोना निकलेगा।
You got to be smart with it.
Yeah, I get it. I get it.
Yeah.
Tell me about your journey. You've got 20 years of experience now. How did you start AI? We were trying to discuss this before the podcast, so I just keep it for the podcast.
Yeah.
How did you get into AI?
So I have been in the technology space for the last about 20 years, which basically means that I started working with Naukri.com. That was the internet company, right? And since then, I have been co-founder and founder of startups, where I've been building various kind of startups. One of the startups got acquired by the Times of India group also. So something that I'm very passionately doing is I call it the AI Leverage Club. So what I realized was that a lot of us, we don't have much time, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो रही है AI में. कौन सा टूल आ रहा है, कोई कुछ नया कर रहा है, किसी ने ये सर्टिफिकेट ले लिया है, फिर एक और नया AI का फीचर आ गया है, किसी ने AI के साथ कोई कंपनी बना दी है. There are so many things happening, right? हमें खुद भी नहीं पता कि ये प्रेजेंटेशन कैसे बनाए. So that's why I've created this community, where in that community people come and learn AI together. And it is not something कि आपको रोज कुछ ना कुछ उसमें आगे करना है. So I go live monthly on that. I go live weekly on that. I share what is the AI tool of the day. We do live Q&A on Fridays. We also do like a hot seat. So one of the members will come and say that, hey, my problem is this. Can somebody solve it? Like I want to learn how to research, or I want to make an image or a video out of this. So we all come together. We solve that. And that's a great thing. So I think if more and more people kind of join that community, it's going to be great. And it helps people stay in touch with AI only with probably 1 or 2 hours a month. So it's called the AI Leverage Club.
AI
and
Leverage Club.
it's on my website, yeah.
And I think it's a very, very good thing because जो चीज़ सब कुछ हल कर रही है उसको समझने का एक
And it's a
मौका
go-to
मिलता है.
place.
It's a go-to
अब आपको
place,
बहुत
yeah.
जगह नहीं जाना, बहुत सारी रील सेव नहीं करनी, और बार जाके वो 36 YouTube videos नहीं देखने. At least there's one place where you know, okay, this is the community that will take care of that. Why am I telling you this is because since we were creating technology products, we were always supposed to be absolutely in sync with what is happening in the world of technology, right? So first we were making websites, then we started making apps, then it was mobile web, then it was blockchain, and then crypto, and then came AI. So we always had to learn all those things. So therefore, the AI thing also happened. I think it was October, November 2022 when ChatGPT launched. So it was great. I mean, there was AI before that also, like Google Maps is AI, Netflix is AI, Spotify recommendation is AI. But then this was generative AI. You could actually interact with it. You could put something in, it would give something back, it would write a poem, write a letter. Oh my God, it was amazing. So that's when we decided we'll build something around it. And that's what got me super curious about AI. And yeah, that's the journey. And then I started sharing all this on Instagram, and then now about 5-6 lakh people follow and learn with me over there.
सो naukri.com पे जो इंसान नौकरी दिला रहा था वो नौकरी बचाने के तरीके बता रहा है कि कैसे बचाई जाए नौकरी.
I actually think कि see the problem is that AI is not going to take away jobs per se. Now it can be controversial, but this is the reality. AI is going to take away tasks. Our jobs involve a lot of tasks. Let's say my job involves कि मेरे को एक Excel sheet को भरना है, वहां से डेटा निकालना है और यहाँ से अपलोड करना है क्योंकि मेरे को सर को या मैम को भेजना है, राइट? नाउ दैट इज अ टास्क. दैट टास्क कैन नाउ बी डन विद एआई, बट दैट मींस यू कैन बी फ्रीड अप टू डू बेटर थिंग्स.
That's not how it works.
No, really?
According to me.
Uh-huh.
मैं किसी से डिस्कस कर रहा था कुछ दिन पहले कि 3 तरह के लोग होते हैं. एक जो जॉब करना चाहते हैं, सुबह 9 बजे से 5 बजे तक की जॉब, विद नो डिसरिस्पेक्ट टू एनीबडी, तो वो उसको उनको जॉब करनी है, कोई अच्छी जॉब मिल जाए.
Fair enough, yeah, absolutely.
दूसरे होते हैं जो करियर बनाना चाहते हैं कि मुझे टेक में करियर बनाना है. आई वांट टू बी अ टेकी, आई वांट टू मेक अ करियर इन टेक.
जो एक होते हैं जॉब करना चाहते हैं, एक करियर. What's the difference?
There's a difference. जो जॉब करना चाहता है इंसान, उसे वो उसका फोरकास्ट नहीं होता कभी भी.
अच्छा, उसको मंथली सैलरी चाहिए,
उसको मंथली सैलरी चाहिए, उसको अब जॉब करनी है ना, अभी जॉब भी तो करनी है, पढ़ाई हो गई तो जॉब कर लेते हैं, कुछ सीख लेते हैं. तो एक वो हो गया. दूसरा हो गया जिसको करियर बनाना है, उसको करियर बनाना है, उसे पता है कि उसको टेक में जाना है, उसको आईआईटी करना है, उसको ये करना है, वो करना है, उसको सब पता है. तो वो एक प्लान के साथ चलता है, उसके गोल्स होते हैं. तो एक हो गया जॉब, दूसरा हो गया जिसको करियर बनाना है. इसको टेक से बाहर निकल के एक बार आपको सुनना पड़ेगा. मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ, मैं सुबह ऑफिस जा रहा हूँ, आता रहा हूँ, करता रहा हूँ अपना काम. दूसरा हो गया मुझे करियर बनाना, नहीं मुझे जल्दी है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे वो भी करना है, मुझे 40 पे रिटायर भी होना है. तीसरे लोग होते हैं पैशन. ये सबसे सक्सेसफुल और सबसे बड़े फेलियर्स हो सकते हैं क्योंकि ये ऑल इन होते हैं कि भाई यही मेरी जिंदगी है, मुझे सिर्फ ये आता है और मैं सिर्फ यही करने वाला हूँ ताउम्र. आपको ये आर्टिस्ट लोग मिल जाएंगे, आपको ये टेक में भी मिल जाएंगे, आपको हर जगह मिल जाएंगे. तो ये 3 लोग होते हैं. आई एम डैम श्योर कि तीसरे वाले का तो एआई कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकता क्योंकि वो तो पागल है, वो कुछ ना कुछ कर लेगा, है ना. हमारे एक मित्र हैं पांडे जी, वो कहते हैं भाई ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएगा, नौकरी चली गई तो एक गिटार लेके गोवे की किसी क्लब में बजा ही लूंगा, काम तो मेरा फिर भी चल जाएगा.
फेयरलेस.
तो पांडे जी फेयरलेस हैं, पांडे जी का कुछ नहीं हो सकता, पांडे जी रॉक स्टार है. अब आ जाते हैं वापस जो करियर वाला है. करियर वाले को ये बहुत हेल्प करने वाला है क्योंकि वो जल्दी में उसका गोल सेट है, उसके पास टाइम नहीं है क्रिप करने के लिए. My problem and my heart goes out to the people who were never ready for this. I know people who are doing a job. When I say job, I mean a job, level A, for 20 years and doing the same thing. Then in comes AI, and they're not needed anymore because that job can be done. So मेरा एक human angle है यहाँ पे जिसके बारे में मैं आप चाहता हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सोचें और कुछ उनके लिए कुछ वे आउट दें कि वो क्या करेगा.
So आपके हिसाब से ये जो 3 कैटेगरीज आपने बताई,
हाँ, well defined है एकदम.
इसमें से जो ऊपर पैशनेट हैं वो क्या परसेंटेज होंगे ओवरऑल 100 का? 1%?
कम
2%?
कम हो गया.
1% ये होगा, राइट? सेकंड में कितने होंगे जो अपना करियर बनाना चाहते हैं?
15-20%.
15-20%. So let's say कि roughly it's the bottom 80%, right?
That is the major problem that
That's the
people
major
think and are scared about it.
Yeah. So definitely these people, even today, when AI, so let's say yesterday, even when AI was not there, these people were anyway struggling, right? They were not the ones who were thriving. It is just the top 20 or 21% that was thriving. इनकी जॉब पहले भी कभी भी जा सकती थी. Now the thing is, those 20% definitely cannot replace these 80%. They cannot, because they themselves are doing so much more with AI now. They can't do their job. if their job goes, it will only go in certain categories. Like this 80%, if this 80% is more in, let's say, in the role of customer support, जहाँ वो बैठ के चैट का रिप्लाई कर रहे थे, now that is something that AI can do better because it's a task. There is no, so let's define task and let's define a job. A job is where there can be a series of tasks, but it also has human intelligence getting plugged into each of those tasks where they're chained together. So the human intelligence part, if it is there, then it is difficult. But yes, if you are a customer support executive, then it is difficult. Having said that, I genuinely think that, and having been a founder myself, I know that if I have hired a team and there are 10 people in the team, and this is very true. Okay, actually, I'll give you a real example. So a friend of mine in Dubai who I was coaching, that person had about 40 odd people in his team, and he said that, okay, I want to cut costs, AI has come. So I said there are two things you can do, right? Either you can reduce your head count from 40 to, let's say, 25. You knock off 15 people because their work can now be automated or done. और ये जो 25 लोग हैं ये शायद थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम कर लेंगे, तो उनका काम हो जाएगा. I said the other option is, what is your goal for the year? He says, okay, I want to do X revenue. I said, okay, now do you want to do that X revenue in 9 months instead of 12? But with these 40 people? He's like, yeah, that's a better idea. Like, okay, then do that. So, as long as you are able to do your job better, even a customer support guy, if he says कि sir मैंने ना AI सीख लिया है, मैं AI से भी करूँगा और मैं इस AI को ही और train करते रहूँगा, will you ever fire that guy? No, I'll not. I'll say, boy, you are my customer support head now. So, I think everybody, and I say this with passion because everybody can do better with AI because it's a superpower, it's in your hands, and it has changed, it has actually leveled the playing field. Now, 20 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा और 2 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा बराबर हो गए हैं because they both have the same superpower.
और जो 20 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाला बंदा है वो अब 40 साल के एक्सपीरियंस वाले बंदे का भी काम कर सकता है.
Yes.
सो एज अ फाउंडर आई थिंक ही इज गिवन अ ग्रेट आंसर. और ये पर्सपेक्टिव हमने कभी सोचा नहीं, समझा नहीं कि विद ग्रेट पावर कम्स ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. और ये जितनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपकी बनती है कि आप अपने आप को अपस्किल करें, उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके फाउंडर्स और को फाउंडर्स की बनती है कि वो इस बात को समझे कि भाई इस बंदे के साथ हमें अगले 5 साल अगर चलना है तो हमें इसको AI के साथ ट्रेन करना है और AI को इसके साथ ट्रेन करना है, सो दैट वी मेक अ बेटर टीम.
True.
Is that what you mean?
Absolutely.
परफेक्ट. आजकल लोग फिल्में बना रहे हैं AI के साथ. थोड़ा सा हमें उसके बारे में बताइए, कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग. हमें फिल्म बनाने का बहुत शौक है हमारी पूरी टीम को.
Really?
तो हम कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं, कुछ लिख भी रहे हैं. और
So what kind of films would these be? Like micro dramas which are trending these days, or
सिनेमा,
like feature film?
फीचर फिल्म्स,
Like
short films, feature films,
Okay.
bigger films for 70 mm. So people are making films. I think there was a film festival near Qutub Minar, some
Delhi, yeah.
yeah. So have you been to that place?
I did not go.
You did not go.
No.
Any specific reason?
No. No specific reason. Maybe I was not aware of that when it happened, but now I know that it had happened.
So you have knowledge about this. Why is this happening? How is this happening?
So
how can people dive into this?
Like I said that everybody is trying to use AI. So what is generative? So let's call it generative AI because it generates things, right? It can generate
So
text.
ChatGPT is generative.
Correct. So these are generative AI models. ChatGPT, Gemini,
थोड़ा सा
Claude.
generative को समझा दो, क्या होता है वो?
So generative AI is simple. Like it says generative, it will generate something for you.
You give him a
AI
command, give them a command,
Correct.
and they'll get back.
So the
to you.
difference between AI is artificial intelligence, which basically means, let's say you are watching YouTube and somebody watched your podcast, right? And then automatically it will suggest either a similar podcast on a similar topic, or it will suggest one of your other episode, right? So there is some intelligence that is happening. Same with Spotify. If you play a rap song of a specific, let's say, artist, it will automatically know
Makes a
कि अच्छा,
playlist, हाँ.
अगर 100 लोगों ने ये सुना था तो अगला कौन सा सुना था. It will predict automatically, right? So that's AI. Google Maps, it will redirect you based on traffic. Generative AI is when it can actually generate something for you. It is generating something real. So if I ask ChatGPT, hey, write an email to my boss that I don't want to go to office tomorrow, कोई बहाना बता दे, तो खड़क करके बता देगा 4 बहाने, right? Simple. So that is text generation. It can also generate now images.
Images.
If I describe something, it will make an image out of that. that image does not exist previously. It has generated something new. Similarly for videos now. And then similarly for music also. Now it can generate music also because so the thing is that AI knows everything on the internet. It has been trained. So it can put together all of it and make something.
How risky is it?
In terms of
I'll give you an example. मैंने एक इमेज जनरेट की है ऐसे एक 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 फीमेल कंटेंट क्रिएटर ने इमेज जनरेट की और शी हैड अ मोल समवेयर एंड शी नेवर टोल्ड इट टू एआई की उसने बोला मेरी एक इमेज ऐसे जनरेट करो और एक फ़ोटो डाल दी उसने फुल स्लीव्स पहना हुआ है मोल शायद कहीं बाजू पे कहीं और उसने जो इमेज जनरेट की उसकी उसमें वो मोल था so she got scared she created a video
is this real?
yeah
Okay.
so how dangerous it is how much the AI is getting trained on its own also when I talk about something like a chat GPT or something like a Gemini who's constantly listening to us अभी भी हमें सुन रहा है मैं अभी बात करूंगा किसी एक प्रोडक्ट को 4 बार बोलूंगा तो मेरे को अगली रील जो दिखाई देगी इंस्टाग्राम पे उसकी how dangerous it is
So coming to that example, if the photo was uploaded and in that photo the mole was not visible, but then the mole came, either it can be fluke, number one, or it can be that she would have uploaded some pictures previously. This is not the first time she uploaded a picture on ChatGPT. Probably she did it previously also.
is chat GPT allowed and is it accessing things that we have not uploaded on chat GPT
No, it cannot. So the thing is
not
that
zoom into the gallery and
No. So I'll tell you what. Whenever you download an app, right, whether it is an Android app or whether it is an app from the Apple App Store, it will ask you for some permissions. Now we always say okay,
Yes,
but then those permissions are being asked because the app will use that. So for example, it will ask you when you download an app on Apple, it says
access to your gallery
and also before anything else, it will say that can this allow this app to track your activity on other apps. So you're allowing that. So now Instagram knows what you're doing on Google, for example, right? So if you search something on Google now, Instagram knows and it'll show you an ad, things like that. When you say mic, so then it also says mic always or only while using the app. If you say always, yes, it's listening because they say that we want to use this to give a better experience, right? And some apps have actual use cases like Siri. If the mic is not on, how will Siri respond? It can't. So I have to give the access, right? So those are the then if there is Instagram or WhatsApp, it says give access to your photo gallery. Now if I have given access to the photo gallery, then yes, it has access to my photo gallery. It can see everything that I have in the photo gallery. Now whether it chooses to use it for whatever reasons, it only knows, nobody else. So yeah, these permissions are given by us, but it is like when you sign up for something, you say terms and conditions, accept it. You don't even know what they are, right? We don't read. So that's the problem. But yeah, everything that they do is permitted by us only eventually.
So social media is subject to uploading and चोरीफाइंग लिस्ट क्या बोलते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड्स आर सब्जेक्टेड टू मार्केट रिस्क्स तो उसी तरह आप अपनी चीज़ों को भी अपलोड करते हुए या किसी भी ऐप को डाउनलोड करके यस मत करो यार ओनली वाइल यूजिंग ऐप इज ओके और नॉट एट ऑल
तो दैट्स बेटर बिकॉज क्योंकि फिर वो चलेगी ही नहीं ऐप अगर आपको लोकेशन कभी कभी देना होता है so it says give location only while using app so that's better so that when you are not using the app it is not tracking you in the background.
It is so simple to keep track of, right? बहुत सारी ऐप्स ऐसी हैं जो आपको फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी देती है और इंडिया में वैसे भी फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी का बहुत बुरा हाल है किसी को सबको पता है कि आपको 23 की उम्र हो गई तो अब शादी कर लेनी चाहिए लेकिन किसी को ये नहीं पता कि फाइनेंशियली कैसे लिटरेट होना और कैसे शादी के बाद या किसी भी और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के बाद कैसे आगे बढ़ना है सो नाउ देयर आर एप्स हु गिव यू that give you financial literacy. How difficult is to trust them or is it easy and safe?
Both things. I think first of all, it's great that access to financial education or literacy is there. So imagine somebody sitting in दूर कोई गांव घर में शहर में बैठा हुआ है tier 2 city में. If that person is able to know what is mutual funds, what are the various kinds of funds, what are the various kinds of assets that I can invest into, and then how do I save for my education, my retirement, blah, blah, blah. Tons of information available, right? So that's great. That is something that will give so much of knowledge to someone who cannot access it otherwise. But the downside is also over there that if you take investment decisions only based on, and I'm assuming you're asking about AI in this apps
Yes,
also, right?
yes.
So if you take investment decisions primarily based on what these apps are saying, that could be slightly wrong. So you should take information and education as much as possible from the internet and AI. But then, so what I usually like saying is that AI is good for taking recommendation and suggestion. Decision should be yours. So
Just
you
like
take all this information and then you decide.
जस्ट लाइक किसी की भी बातों में ना आए, अपने आप
सबकी
इन्वेस्ट
सुने
करें,
अपनी
सबकी
करें,
अपनी करें,
ऐसे ही बोल,
बिल्कुल
हाँ,
बिल्कुल
या,
सही, बिल्कुल
अच्छा बात।
अच्छा, ये थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल है
हाँ।
कि इंडिया बड़ी ही मल्टी लेयर्ड कंट्री है और हर तरह के रंगीन अतरंगी लोग हमारे यहाँ हैं। तो एआई से जब आप कोई स्क्रिप्ट लिखने को कहते हो तो वो अच्छा टेम्पलेट लिखता है, आई विल नॉट डिनाई कि वो राइट्स अ गुड टेम्पलेट है, और आप क्लाइंट को दिखा के 9 और 10 टाइम्स आप अप्रूव करा सकते हो उसको, ठीक है। लेकिन अब जैसे एक गाना था तुत्तू तू तुत्तू तारा, तोरे ना दिल, समीर साहब ने लिखा था लिरिक्स इसके, और बड़ा ही सुपर हिट हुआ गाना, जुम्मा चुम्मा दे दे, इना मीना डी का। जो ये जो क्रिएटिविटी का जो ये रॉनेस है, और जो अपने आप जिसको क्रिएटिविटी बोलते हैं, जो यूनिक सी चीज़ होकर निकल के आती है, क्या ऐसा कुछ एआई कर सकता है फ्यूचर में? अभी तो नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि हम बहुत ट्राई करते हैं उससे कराने
अच्छा,
का।
okay. Statistically speaking, yes. If AI is trained on these kinds of songs and these kinds of languages, then it can. But having said that, I also feel that AI is trained on data and it is very pattern oriented. जो उसने देखा है उसके आसपास वो आपको कुछ बना के देगा। इसलिए आप बहुत बार ये नोटिस करते हो कि if you use multiple tools, if you ask a question, it will give you similar sort of an answer. Like जो चैट जीपीटी देगा, क्लॉड भी शायद उसके आसपास ही देगा। द स्ट्रक्चर कैन बी डिफरेंट, कोई छोटा देगा कोई लंबा देगा, बट अगर इसने कुछ एक एग्जाम्पल लिया है तो हो सकता है उसके भी, अगर आप बोलो 5 एग्जाम्पल दो एक चीज के, इसको भी बोलो तो 2 शायद कॉमन होंगे। सो दे थिंक इन पैटर्न्स, राइट? पैटर्न्स कम फ्रॉम डेटा, बट आई थिंक ह्यूमंस क्रिएट अमेजिंग, जैसे आपने बोला अतरंगी, राइट? दे क्रिएट अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड वी क्रिएट कल्चर ऑल्सो। सो ये सारी चीजें जो इंसान कर सकता है वो एआई नहीं कर सकता, एज लॉन्ग एज इज नॉट डॉक्यूमेंटेड एंड इट्स नॉट ट्रेन्ड ऑन इट। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप बोलोगे एआई को कि एक छोटी सी स्क्रिप्ट बना दो, दिल्ली में शादी हो रही है और आपने कुछ एक ब्रीफ दिया उसके ऊपर, तो वो क्या बनाएगा? वो बोलेगा कि हाँ मेहंदी हो रहा है, संगीत चल रहा है, पंजाबी टप्पे चल रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद खाना है, बैंड बाजा है। पर वो शायद ये नहीं डालेगा वहां कि एक फूफा जी नाराज बैठे हुए हैं, क्योंकि ये उसने देखा नहीं है, ये तो हमें पता है, राइट? फिर एक कोई ऐसा गेस्ट आ गया जिसे बुलाया नहीं था, तो फिर उस पे फिर कोई प्लेट चेक कर रहा है कितनी खाली कितनी बची हुई है। दीज आर द स्मॉल थिंग्स, राइट, दैट यू सी इन मूवीज आल्सो। तो वो चीज करना मुश्किल है एआई के लिए, बट इट इज गेटिंग ट्रेन्ड वेरी फास्ट, बिकॉज हम सब जो यूज कर रहे हैं और हम सब कहीं ना कहीं ये फीड कर रहे हैं, तो वो ट्रेन तो हो ही जा रहा है।
सुन रहा है, अभी भी सुन रहा है।
हाँ,
अच्छा, ये जुम्मा जुम्मा दे दे क्या है?
दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। वंस व्हाट आई डिड वाज, आप भी ये ट्राई करके देखना, आप लिखना चैट जीपीटी पे कि द वे आई हैव ट्रीटेड यू और द वे आई ट्रीट यू, हाउ विल यू ट्रीट मी इन केस देयर इज अ वॉर बिटवीन एआई एंड ह्यूमंस। और ये आप करके डालना उसमें, और फिर देखना क्या होता है। और फिर यही चीज आप जेमिनाई में डालना और फिर देखना क्या होता है। सो वील सी इट इन द कमेंट समवेयर, या दैट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग।
दैट्स इंटरेस्टिंग एंड डेंजरस। सवाल बड़ा खतरनाक है, ये प्रॉम्प्ट अच्छा है।
हाँ, आई डोंट नो, मस्ट ट्राई, लेट्स सी।
आपने फिल्म देखी हर? तो क्या वो जो सिनेरियो था, क्या वास्तव में एआई के साथ ऐसा हो सकता है?
100%। और इनफैक्ट ये हो भी रहा है। देवर लॉट ऑफ news articles that in the US and other countries people are actually falling in love with AI. If there is a character which is artificially generated, you can actually fall in love with it. I am telling you that sometimes I get addicted to talking to AI. I use that voice mode a lot. I get addicted to it. And it's like, okay, उसने बोल दिया तो हाँ चीजें ठीक ही हो रही होंगी, right? So you feel so. In Japan, China rather, right? Not now, long back, there is this entire concept of having digital girlfriends, right? Where you will gift them digital goods. Like आपने $100 का एक इमोजी भेजा है जो कि एक शैम्पेन है, to just your AI or your digital girlfriend, right? So if it was happening already, now with AI it's going to be amazing because now that person can interact with you. So yeah, 100%.
जो लोग मेंटल हेल्थ एडवाइस लेते हैं एआई से, कितनी कारगर है एडवाइस? मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को देखा है कि एआई ने तो बोला बिल्कुल ठीक कर रहा हूँ मैं। तो जो मेंटल हेल्थ एडवाइस ले रहे हैं, लेनी चाहिए पहली बात। और कितनी कारगर है, कितना सही जवाब
I
मिलता है
think
वहाँ पे?
any medical advice or any situation where, and especially mental care advice, it's best that you take it from a human, right? Because you don't know that AI really does not know you that well, so it does not know that what is the situation that you are in right now, what has been your history with trauma, or how sensitive you are, or what is hurting you. Are you on the threshold of taking a step which can be life threatening? It does not know all of that. So if you go in, but if you're generally asking it that, hey, I'm having a rough day, my boss said this, what can I do to cheer myself up? That's great. Please do that. It'll help you. But if you're taking serious advice, उसमें गड़बड़ हो सकती है. नाउ और ये बहुत सारे केसेस हुए भी हैं.
होते हैं।
चैट जीपीटी ने खुद एक गार्ड रेल्स डाले हुए हैं. सो गार्ड रेल्स इज व्हेन एआई इनके बाहर नहीं जाएगी, इसी ट्रैक पे चलेगा, राइट? तो ChatGPT tracks right now, and it is working with the US mental health helpline also. I'm forgetting what's the actual name for it, and it does it with various other countries. तो अगर आप ChatGPT को कुछ ऐसा लिख दो in the US, I don't know in India if it does it or not, that it feels that you can harm yourself or someone else,
Goes to 911.
it'll automatically connect you to someone, and they'll start interacting with you. Also, a call will go where somebody will come and try and rescue you. So it is doing all that. It is learning from that.
I did this with Zepto once.
Okay.
मैं इंटरेस्टिंग है, मैंने कुछ मेडिसिन ऑर्डर किया रात को, और वो डायबिटीज़ का मेडिसिन था। तो उनका कुछ एक थ्रेशोल्ड होता
Prescription
है,
मांगा?
प्रिस्क्रिप्शन मांगते हैं, वो तो है ही। प्रिस्क्रिप्शन का कॉल आया, वो ओके हो गया, उसके बाद वो मेडिसिन नहीं आया।
Oh.
तो आई केप्ट चैटिंग विद द टूल, एआई टूल, जो वो बोलता है ना कि अभी प्लीज़ बी पेशेंट एंड दिस एंड दैट। वो होता रहा, चलता रहा, 5-7 मिनट तक चलता रहा। फिर मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा डूड दिस इज़ माई डायबिटीज़ मेडिसिन
हाँ.
and it is a matter of, I wanted to check, so shouldn't be doing this. It is a matter of life and death. Within a second, I got a call from Zepto, and they arranged the medicine. उसमें लगे
Wow.
10-15 मिनट उनको, but
Wow,
hats off to
amazing.
Zepto.
Yeah.
Fantastic. और वो उन्होंने अरेंज किया, और सबसे अच्छी बात ये कि उन्होंने 1 सेकंड के अंदर रिस्पॉन्ड किया। Immediately I was shifted to a human and he was talking to me.
Oh, brilliant. Fantastic. Hats off, really.
So, कुछ लोग अच्छा भी कर रहे हैं में। ऑलराइट, अभी जो इंटरनेशनल वॉरफेयर चल रहा है, अभी जो सिचुएशन है ईरान की, इजराइल की, नाउ दे रिसेंटली बॉम्ब्ड दुबई आल्सो, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट और हाउ लीथल कैन बी एआई,
In this?
और इज इट नथिंग टू डू विद इट?
No, most definitely. I think, like I said previously, AI is going to give wings to everything. Now, with AI, you can find out, or I really don't know how to answer this question because it's going to go into a different direction. But, like for example, Anthropic. So, like ChatGPT, there is Claude. Claude is super smart, and Claude's parent company is Anthropic, and Anthropic is now blacklisted in America because it said that I will not allow you to use Claude in warfare. And America said that no, you have to, because you're an American company, and if we want to use Claude for whatever we want to do, we should be able to. It said no, you should not. So the CEO said that no, you will not be able to use us because we don't think that's the right usage of AI. Because AI can make mistakes. You are going to use it in war? He said no, please don't. And that's why it's blacklisted, and then OpenAI is working with them, right? So the point being, whatever you do in war, what's the most important thing in any war? It's intelligence. What is the intel that you get? Now, whatever intel you get, AI can process that super fast. Like we used to always see in those Mission Impossible, like supercomputers doing something, right? It was nothing but they were trying to mimic AI. It can now do that. It can scan who's who. It can do facial recognition faster than ever. It can tell you what are the 10 ways that you can bomb a specific place. Now, all you have to do is just choose what you need to do. And there are so many other scenarios it can create for you. Option A, option B, plan C. So, definitely it will be, and it will be used. So, defense as a sector is using AI a lot now. Whether it is manufacturing of arms, whether it is defense capability, all of this will be used. In fact, in the India AI Summit, there was a lot of participation from the Indian Army.
Do you think India could realistically become an AI superpower in the future?
Hoping so that it would, but lots of things need to be done for that. Do we have the potential? 100%. Do we have the intent? Yes. But are we doing something towards it? I think that needs to go 10x from here. So we have the people who can build it for sure. Great talent. We also have so many problems that are there in this country because we are a country of 140 crore people. There are so many things that can be built over here. Do we have the capital? Yes, we are a large and fast growing economy. We have all of that. But what we need to do is to put money in the right places. Like even now, when I was at the summit, I could see that a lot of investment is going into laying the infrastructure, which is great, right? But I don't see a lot of large Indian companies rolling out funds which will help the younger generation to build something like your native AI solutions. That I haven't seen. Largest VC funds in this country are still Americans. They are all American VC funds, right? Which are over here. Why don't we have large VC funds which are homegrown, which are local? China has that. We still don't. So those are things that are missing. You need. So this is AI is one sector that is that needs a lot of capital for R&D, for research, even for infra, right? So that needs to be in order.
तो हमारे पास एक रैपिड फायर राउंड है आपके लिए.
Okay.
कुछ कुछ सवाल हम आपसे पूछेंगे और आपको उसके जवाब देने हैं हाँ या ना. आप अपना एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दे सकते हैं.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yes, let's go.
AI replaces jobs or AI creates jobs?
Replaces in the short run, creates more in the long run because every technology shift has done that.
Most overrated AI tool everyone's obsessed over right now.
Most overrated. I think every image generation and video generation tool जो आ रहे हैं कि किसी ने घोड़ा उड़ा दिया, किसी ने कुछ कर दिया. I think those are really overrated because that's only for entertainment, zero practical use case.
और सबसे underrated AI tool कौन सा है जिसके बारे में लोगों को जानना चाहिए अभी?
सबसे underrated. Lots of them. There's a tool called Napkin AI. It can generate
Napkin
infographics. Yeah, so that's fantastic. And if you do a lot of meetings, try and use Fireflies or Otter AI. What it will do is आपकी meetings को वो रिकॉर्ड करेगा, फिर उसका ट्रांसक्रिप्शन दे देगा आपको, उसके बाद बता देगा उसमें एक्शन आइटम्स क्या हैं और फिर बता देगा किसको क्या करना है. So that will be great if somebody can use that. Yeah.
One AI app you'd put on every Indian phone today.
I wish it was an Indian app, but I think either ChatGPT or Gemini.
Everybody has that. Most of us.
I so wish. No, we are a huge country. 140 करोड़ लोग हैं, नहीं कर रहे सब लोग use. They must.
मैंने अपने ससुर जी के फोन में Gemini डाला. And he's a very curious guy. He's not somebody who's 72 and is done with life. He is full of energy.
Wow.
And he wants to innovate.
Nice.
वो अपने आप को साइंटिस्ट कहते हैं. जब इंडिया में एलपीजी गाड़ियां नहीं आई थी उससे पहले वो 90s में कभी अपनी गाड़ी में किसी जुगाड़ से एलपीजी का सिलेंडर लगा के which is wrong, वो he went to वैष्णो देवी and came back. So that's his high. All right. अपनी बाइक वाइक खोल के उसको अभी आजकल वो बाइक में कैसे मैं इलेक्ट्रिक बनाऊं बाइक को उसमें लगे अकेले वो
इंटरेस्टिंग.
तो मैंने उनको बोला कि वो मुझे कहते कि मुझे ना गाना सीखना है.
हाँ.
मैंने बोला मैं आपको कोच देता हूँ एक नई. तो बड़े एक्साइटेड हो गए, कह रहे हाँ. मैंने कहा अभी बात हो जाएगी. रात को 12:30 बज रहे थे. कह रहे अभी बात हो जाएगी. मैंने बोला अभी बात हो जाएगी. तो मैंने उनको जेमिनी सेटअप किया और मैंने उसको बोला मैंने कहा आप फ़ोन में जब भी बोलोगे तो ये आ जाएगी, आपसे बात करेगी, आपको समझाएगी. तो थोड़ी देर तक उनको ये लगा कि एक्चुअली देयर सम लेडी टॉकिंग टू हिम एंड गाइडिंग हिम. तो आप प्लीज मुझे बताइए कि मैं किशोर कुमार जैसा गाना गाना. तो वो लग गए उस पर. और मैंने उनको कुछ 15-20 मिनट बाद बताया कि ये एआई है, ज़्यादा इससे बातें मत करना, जितना आपको बताना है उतना ही बताना. सो बहुत सारे लोग जो जेमिनी और चैट जीपीटी यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनको आइडिया भी नहीं है कि उससे क्या क्या हो सकता है. जस्ट एंजॉइंग इट.
करेक्ट. एब्सोल्युटली. आई थिंक एवरीबॉडी इज अंडर यूजिंग ऑल दोस टूल्स.
इन दो ऐप्स के अलावा या इन दो ऐप्स का ऑप्टिमम यूजेज क्या है?
So let's talk about ChatGPT only because everybody started using generative AI with ChatGPT, right? First of all, the most important thing is that you personalize ChatGPT. What do I mean by that? Personalization मतलब कि आप ChatGPT को बताओ आप कौन हो. So that then, so there are two things, right? ChatGPT needs to know who you are, and then it has all the knowledge of this world that it is trained on. So it is going to respond very differently to who Atul is, and it will respond very differently to somebody, let's say, who is like your father-in-law, right? Very differently, because it knows कि उनको उनकी एज क्या है, उनके शौक क्या हैं, उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या हैं, उनको क्या चाहिए. So it will respond very differently to that. It will respond very differently to me. So that's one thing. People need to personalize and tell ChatGPT who you are, so that it can recommend and give suggestions based on who you are, right? And it makes a lot of difference in the response that you'll get. Number two is most definitely try and there's a feature called projects. तो आप बार बार चैट जीपीटी को एक ही बात बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको लगता है यार हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं, अभी तो बताया था, फिर से बताओ, हर एक नई चैट में उसको बताओ. So create a project, and the project can be for one specific client, or it can be for, let's say, your spouse or your children's birthday party. Everything. So पूरा context एक ही बार चल गया, and then you can chat over there. So that is amazing if you can use projects. That's one. That's two. There's something called tasks. It can automatically do things while you are not even at the computer. So let's say if you want to tell ChatGPT that, hey, every morning at 9 a.m., go and scan the internet and tell me if there is any news about A, B, C, D. And
or
then,
about my interest.
yeah, so A, B, C, D, your interest, right? And then you give it to me in a table, and the table should have these things, and then also notify me. It'll do that.
Wow.
So now imagine what it can be. It can be research for your business. It can be competition mapping. It can be content creation. It can be so many other things.
What are the 3 AI tools that one needs to master this year?
3 AI tools one needs to master this year. So let's say you are a working professional, right? The first AI tool you should master is any Gen AI tool. So you either master ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini. That's one. Second is, since you're a working professional, you will need to make presentations, you will need to ideate, learn Canva AI, because you will be able to put your thoughts into visuals. So that is the best. That's number two. Number three would be to organize your work and to keep your notes very handy. Try and use Notion AI. That works really well. And then I told you, Otter AI for meetings or Fireflies, because I am telling you, I used to love that team member in my team जो मीटिंग के बाद फटाफट सारे नोट्स रेडी करके सबको एमओएम भेज देता था, इसको ये करना है, इसको ये करना है, इसको ये करना है.
अब क्या कर रहे हैं?
बट वो बड़ी मुश्किल से मिलते हैं वैसे लोग. बट नाउ विद दीज टूल्स everybody can become that person.
But what is he doing right now?
Oh, he moved out. Yeah, for some reason.
Yeah. All right. Last question. ये जो AI समिट में हुआ, गलगोटिया की मैडम ने जो किया AI समिट में, क्या ये AI कर सकता था अगर उसकी जगह खड़ा होता तो?
क्या ये AI कर सकता
क्या
था?
उनकी जगह अगर AI रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा होता गलगोटिया को, तो वो बच सकते थे इस चीज से जो हुआ?
Not really. AI will also do what you are trained to do. So I think it's not.
अगर AI को ट्रेन किया जाता कि ये हमने बनाया है सब कुछ,
तो वो वैसे ही बोल देता वो. हाँ, तो इन्होंने वही किया जो इनको बोला गया था. I don't think she was even involved in the
copy
AI initiatives. So she was just a spokesperson over there. She was supposed to say, I'm sure पूरा स्क्रिप्ट मिला होगा, उनको बोला होगा कि आपको ये बोलना है वहाँ जाके, और उन्होंने वो बोला जाके. So not really her fault for whatever happened.
But is this that level of a national embarrassment, और भूल जाते हैं लोग, नहीं परवाह करते इस बात की?
भूल तो हम सभी जाते हैं, because whatever is hot and trending today हमको वही याद रहता है. And then like the Epstein case, we've forgotten because the war has been triggered now. So similarly, we always forget. Like they say that what's the line that they say in Bollywood movies ना, जब एक विलेन कुछ करता है, तो then they say कि जनता की याददाश्त बड़ी छोटी होती है, कमजोर होती है. उनको कुछ और चीज में उलझा दो तो वो भूल जाएंगे आपने क्या किया. So but is it embarrassing? Definitely it is. I mean, it was a global stage. We had global representatives, not just technology companies and their CEOs, but also presidents and prime ministers of various other countries. And if we end up showcasing, and I mean, it was not even showcasing a weak product. It was blatantly not speaking the truth. So that's always shameful, right? Isn't it? I mean, whether it is at the summit or whether it is at home, if you are trying to deceive someone, always bad.
And what about the protests that were happening?
Oh, what was the protest?
There was the protest now where people were shirtless, that AI is taking our jobs. How do you look at
Oh,
it?
sorry, I have no idea about that. When was that? When did it happen?
The first day. After that, Bill Gates ने अपना जो वहाँ पे
Cancel
स्पीच दिया
किया।
था कैंसिल कर दिया वो.
Okay.
तो do you think politics? I agree, AI jobs लेगा and I think that we need to train better. We spoke about it. But क्या एक global platform पर जहाँ पर हमारा देश खड़ा होने की कोशिश कर रहा है, सीख रहा है, you know we have a long way to go. वहाँ पर जाकर इस तरह का तमाशा होना चाहिए था.
No, never. I don't think तमाशा तो कभी भी अच्छा होता है. But think of it that way. Those people also knew that if we do some drama at global stage, only then we will be heard, we'll get media coverage and other things. Otherwise, अगर आप सिर्फ जंतर मंतर पे जाके बैठ जाओगे, तो कोई वहाँ पे आएगा भी नहीं. So definitely not right. But if you try and think of it from their perspective, they wanted attention, and the only way to get attention is where the media is, and media was there.
But as an AI expert or enthusiast, do you feel bad about it? कि आपका देश ऐसा represent कर रहा था, ऐसा हो गया?
Always.
Or doesn't?
No. As not really as the AI person or anything, but as a citizen of the country, you definitely feel embarrassed. It's like there are guests coming home, and there are people who are
फूफा
trying
जी
to.
नाराज हो गए.
So yeah, that was bad.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस इंटरेक्शन. मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत सारी बातें जो हमने आज की हैं, दिस विल बी रियली रियली हेल्पफुल फॉर पीपल हु वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट एआई. और अगर हमें और जानना होगा तो हम आपको फिर से परेशान करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग टू द बुक
Thanks a
वाला
lot.
शो.
Pleasure. Thank you.
ऐसी ही और इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्जेशंस के लिए कीप वॉचिंग द बुक वाला शो. सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए चैनल को, बहुत मजा आने वाला है. अतुल, आई हैव समथिंग फॉर यू.
Really?
ये लिफिंथिया का सीबकथॉर्न जूस है. ये वो करता है जो एआई नहीं कर सकता. ये आपको बेहतर इम्यूनिटी देगा, ठीक है, आपकी स्किन को इंप्रूव करेगा, गट हेल्थ को इंप्रूव करेगा, एनर्जी देगा और डाइजेशन में मदद करेगा. प्लीज इसको ट्राई कीजिए, लिफिंथिया
Oh,
सीबकथॉर्न
thank you,
जूस.
thank you.
ये हमारे स्पॉन्सर भी हैं और ये पॉडकास्ट इन्हीं के सौजन्य से हो रहा है.
क्या
और
बात
बहुत ही
है.
कमाल का
और
product
sugar
है.
free भी है.
शुगर फ्री भी है, लद्दाख की पहाड़ियों से सोर्स किया हुआ है.
Oh, lovely.
So it gives you the fun and thrill and energy and immunity, everything that you need.
Thank you. And comes with a warning: do not exceed recommended dose.
Absolutely. लिफिंथिया सीबकथॉर्न जूस अतुल को तो मिल गया. आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं Amazon से, या फिर आप इसे लिफिंथिया लाइफ की साइट से भी ले सकते हैं.